Loch Ken, River D. So we moved on from Loch Clatteringshaw and come along to Loch Ken. Parked the car up here. Jackson's just getting his kayak ready. I'm about to load all the luggage in mine. We're going to head off over there amongst that tree line to find somewhere to camp. Here we are on Loch Ken. Paddy, Jackson and Mark.
Should we head in for the silverbacks, yeah?
Yeah. Found camp on the other side of Loch Ken. Gonna set up and head out again with empty kayaks. Nice. So camp's done, kayaks are pulled up, my washing line's up, Jack's kayak, fire pit was already here, and then my tripod, my sleep tonight with the view. No tarp, going tarpless tonight, it's not supposed to rain till Monday.
Scotland.
Paddy, yeah, but it is Scotland. Paddy's little setup, Mark's little setup, or getting ready to, and Jackson's sit up. So yeah, look at that. Right, mate. Video.
The video forwards or backwards?
Forwards first.
Oh, nice. How you doing?
Let me do a 360 and you can see the view. And back to where we were. Welcome back, guys. We're on the water at Loch Ken. I'll tell you what, these inflatable kayaks are not bad, you know, for saving space. So you ain't got to get a roof rack and put a giant kayak on your roof. These are the nuts. I've had all my gear in it, 40 kg of gear, plus me, and I'm 111 kg. It's absolutely fine. It's a bit windy now. And here we are, back at camp now after a couple of hours paddle. The boys are already back. I decided to stay out for a little bit longer. I'm going in now. There we go, there's their boats. Going behind Mark. And here we are. Done. Just in camp. Just watched the sunset or setting. Kayaks, Tex Explorers. Jack's got over by his tent there. Zoom in on Jack, go on. Oh, my finger. There he is, look, look, look. What's he doing? He's got his beers on the floor, I think. Yep, look, beer. Washing line. We've got a fire going. Fire going. Gonna cook up some food.
Because I've hung up a torch as well, just on the line. So I've got at night I can just.
As soon as that water's boiled, we'll chuck steaks on.
Chili con carne? Yeah. Nice.
It was frozen solid, so it should be okay.
Beef as well. Nice, man. It's dinner time. Myself and Jack have steak, smash and broccoli. And what do you have? Chili con carne?
Yeah.
Chili con carne over there. Nice. Got one on my barrel. Fire. Loch Ken. Chili con carne with cheese. Get a zoom in on that. Oh, lovely job, Marky.
There we go. Thanks, bro.
Marky, what we call a nutter.
Oh yeah, and that's right. There we go. Look at that.
Nice. Guys going along there. Last day in Scotland on Loch Ken. Going out for a morning paddle. I didn't do any filming during the evening. We were just sat around the fire drinking beer. Didn't do any this morning. We were just cooking breakfast, to be honest. You know. But we're going to enjoy a morning paddle now we've eaten. Boys are just getting in theirs. And Jack is trying to find his puncture, because he's got a puncture. Slow puncher, bless. Yes. Just had to pull up so Jack could pump his kayak up. Got a slow puncher. We are camped all the way back over there. Still camped there.
8-frame seat, really good. Doesn't collapse at all.
Look at that forest.
Would have been worth bringing your own bag.
Feels like Canada, doesn't it, Paddy?
Yeah, mate. Beautiful.
Can you not tighten your straps?
Back for a spot of lunch. Nice.
Souped up soup noodles.
Souped up super noodles. Washing line. We have just pulled up to Loch Ken water activity centre, so we can try and get a pint, a burger and chips. Looks wicked. Got some castles in the middle over there, bouncy castle things. So it's going to rain tomorrow, so I've had to put the tarps up. Paddy's, Mark over there, mine. Jack's messing with it. Jack behind there, behind the washing line. Everyone's dirty skids on the washing line. Mark getting the fire prepped. The kayaks, what a beautiful day it's been. What's the time? About 7:30?
Yeah, about
All of our kayaks lined up there. Jack's over by his kayak because he likes to single himself out. We're having a few whiskies. Not much, but a few on the last night. It's been a blast. Head home tomorrow. So, we needed more whiskey. There's whiskey in the car. The car's the other side of the lock. Just there. So we're off to get it. Yeah. Okay, so we have now got the whiskey. And yes, it's Scotch whiskey because we're in Scotland. From the car just up there. And now we've got to head back over to that forest there. Time in Scotland has come to an end. All packed up, ready to go home. Up to the car. Jack's got a sad face.
Don't want to leave.
And the boys are somewhere out there. Just before leaving, spotted this. Had to come and have a look. Had to have a look.